Mihin Lanka Private Limited is dedicated to provide and promote an affordable and low-cost air travel to passengers from Colombo to a number of cities. Commercial head of the airline, Rohana Pereira, elaborates on their services to our special representative Arshad Najimuddin tonight on Face On.
Mr. Pereira, if you could brief us about the pivotal role of Mihin Lanka in the aviation industry.
Yeah. As you are aware, Mihin Lanka is the budget carrier of Sri Lanka, and our main role is to provide and promote affordable air travel to our customers. And using 2 aircrafts, we have been operating to 8 destinations currently. Operating 29 frequencies per week, and we have seen a steady improvement on our performance at present. Just to highlight, the cabin factors have been very healthy, and we have achieved over 75% of our whole network, and our passenger numbers that we have carried during the year has increased up to 56% when compared to last year. So overall, we have carried over 350,000 passengers during last year, and the revenues have increased by about 37% when compared to last year.
Having a 37% revenue last year, what are the future enhancements in the industry?
We are currently operating a call center for our customers that runs on 24 hours. That is number one, and also we have served our customers, the frequent flyers. We have identified them and we have serviced them at the airport, at the ticket offices, and then also the services that we have offered to our senior citizens, the soldiers, the dependents of the soldiers who have sacrificed for the country. We have an installment plan where they can purchase their travel tickets, especially to Buddhagaya, Varanasi, and even to Velankani. So we have all these facilities, service enhancement made available to our customers. And in addition, we have also operated to some other destinations which there were no direct links between Sri Lanka and the other countries. For example, Bangladesh is one very simple example where we did not have a direct link, although we are a SAARC nation, two SAARC countries. So we have made that Dhaka flight is quite popular, and then in fact it has given us good results during the past 2 years.
If you could brief us about the future plans of Mihin Lanka.
Yeah, just to give you that news that we are just a week ago, we just got our 3rd aircraft, and which we have introduced to our network, and we have planned to introduce 2 new destinations, that is Madurai in December, that's in the Tamil Nadu, state of Tamil Nadu in India, and also to Delhi in February 2013. We are looking at increasing our frequency from 29 to 40 flights per week with the addition of these 2 with this new aircraft, and also we have the significant thing is that we have synchronized our network together with Sri Lankan Airlines network in order to facilitate better connectivity for our passengers.
Thank you very much, Mr. Pereira, for joining Face On, and that's a comprehensive update. Pleasure talking to you.